Alright, quick update on KNC. So, we had a breakout of this ascending triangle formation that I talked about in yesterday's video. Yesterday's video really aged well. I recorded it and uploaded it when we were down here at $4.35, and I told you my first price target would be up here at $5. Literally 8 hours after I made my video, we had a 16.5% increase to the upside, and we filled my first price target. So, what's going on right now? Where do I think we're going? Where do we need to hold? Let's talk about it. If we start off with the daily time frame, this is just absolutely exponential. We have never seen anything as bullish for KNC as we're seeing right now. We've been on a huge uptrend in the past couple of months since early February / late January. We've been coming back into these daily EMA ribbons, back testing them, and continuing to move to the upside every single time. So we're looking great. If we look at the daily squeeze mom, we're seeing, unprecedented amounts of bullish momentum that we have previously not seen. We keep on accumulating back to the upside. We're miles above all of our moving averages down here. So I do think we do look great. If we come into the lower time frames, you can see the bears have started to take control of the 4-hour time frame since the last move back to the downside. Now, I'm not necessarily too worried about these dark green candles coming in. We're in such a macro uptrend on the daily, and if we look at what's previously happened when we're in huge upswings on KNC, you can see a lot of the time we do this where we have these big moves up, we come down, reset momentum on lower time frames, and then we continue to push back up before we do eventually have a bearish move to the downside. We could be setting up a momentum reset. So in my opinion, as long as we do not see a break below $4.35 on the 4-hourly time frame, I will be expecting much higher price targets. So as I'm expecting much higher price targets, and we've been in KNC for quite a while now, for the past couple of weeks, I will be setting a stop loss, I think just below where we previously, or just below the break up point, and I'm going to set it specifically where this higher low was put in. You can see if I zoom right in on the 4-hourly time frames, the most recent higher low we put in was down here, and we normally have a habit of putting in higher lows just above the previous higher lows. So I don't expect that we'd be coming down to $4.27. However, looking at this on the daily, we are very overextended, and I'm not looking to, keep all my eggs in KNC in case we do have a huge breakdown, as we have had a huge move up already. I still do think the move to the upside is more likely. We've already hit my first price target, like I said, at $5. My next price target, my next major macro price target is, if we zoom out, your major 1.618. This is from your previous all-time high all the way up to the upside. And I think it's very nice how in the micro term we've come up and hit the micro 618, come back down, we're back testing the previous all-time high. I think if we have a pushback up to the upside, we would easily have enough momentum to push up to the macro 1.618 at $6.40. You could also see we have a micro 2.618 up here at approximately $6 or so. I'm personally targeting $6.40. I've already told you I'm in a trade. I am putting my stop loss down here at $4.27. I do not expect a move back below there, as we have so recently back tested the EMAs. We've recently broken out of the previous all-time high on this chart, and it looks like we're setting up a back test right now. So I really like the chart setup on KNC. I'm still super bullish on this. It's nice how we hit my first price target at $5. I'm now expecting that move back up to $6.40, or for the first time. That is all I see for KNC. Looking exceptionally bullish. This breakout of this ascending triangle was very nice, and we keep on building bullish momentum on the higher time frame. So I've got no complaints. Bitcoin's having a slight pullback today. I would not be surprised if this means KNC just needs another 12 to 24 hours to recover, reset, take a breather before the next leg up. That's all I've got for you. If you like the content, please like, share it with your friends, and subscribe. That's all I've got for you today. Once again, cowboy out, not financial advice. And yeah, peace.